Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Krishna Perkins here. I am out and about doing another tour of the neighborhoods in Northeast San Antonio. Do me one quick thing and let me know in the description here or the comments what features you're most interested in hearing about when I'm doing these tours. That way I can put it in future videos. If you enjoy the video, give me one of these right here. I really appreciate it. It helps the channel out. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next video. Have a good day.
Welcome to Pheasant Ridge neighborhood. Pheasant Ridge neighborhood was built by Continental Homes starting in 1997 and concluding construction in 2003. Pheasant Ridge neighborhood is located just inside Loop 1604 off the main road of Stahl between Judson and Oconnor Rd. The neighborhood is a balanced mix of roomy one-story and two-story homes, ranging from 1,622 square feet all the way up into the 3,000 square foot range. Nearby attractions include Rolling Oaks Mall, IKEA of Live Oak, Retama Park, the Forum, Comanche Lookout Park, and Friesenhan Park. Commutes to Randolph Air Force Base are well within reason. Also, Fort Sam Houston and downtown San Antonio. The elementary school is just a short walk away at Stahl Elementary School. A quick 2-minute drive away to Harris Middle School and another walk to Madison High School.